Smart rings in the market today can be quite expensive, especially if you want to enjoy some premium features. Well, this particular smart ring is at a fraction, an absolute fraction of the cost with some premium features. Now, we're going to talk more about this smart ring right after this. Today, we're going to look at what is called the smart ring. Now, before I go any further, please go ahead and hit the subscribe, like, and also share this content as it truly does help with my channel. The model number is these numbers here, which is 2445444. You don't have to remember that because you just need to click on the link and it will take you right to where you can purchase it. Type A to Type C charge cable. The size I opt for was 11. Now, this is the largest size they have. They do give you what you need to measure your finger, so that way you can know what size you need. But again, this is the largest size I have, so it wouldn't fit my index or my ring finger, probably more of my pinky finger. With that stated, let's go ahead and open up this box. Then you have the smart ring right here inside of its charge case. Open it right there. And you can see the LED light right there on the charge case. Let's pop the ring out. And it is in here magnetically, as you can see there. So if I drop it back, it's not going to just fall out. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and pull it out again. The ring itself has a nice feel, and it has a titanium shell. So really nice. And it is also rated IP68 water resistant. Last but not least, you have a manual here that you can take a look at. On the back of the packaging, you will see a QR code, and that's what you will scan to download its companion app. The two colors that are available for the smart ring, you can get it in black, which I have here, or silver. It does have a nice look. If you look in the inside here, that's what charges or where it connects to magnetically right there. Get a little closer. But again, it has a nice feel to it. And I'm definitely looking forward to testing this out. What I like about this case, you don't have to have it plugged up all the time. You can just charge this up and it holds enough juice to continue to charge your ring. And that's pretty nice. You can stay wireless or mobile with this. You can see that red light showing there, and the blue light showing that it's charging. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out. And it should be able to scan it now. And it's pretty simple. Once you get into the app, you just go to device and then scan. And it should pick it up. There we go. So let's go ahead and tap that. And you can get SMS notifications, it looks like. Tap allow. Go back in there. Could enable that. Make sure that's enabled. That's enabled. Let's go back. Device update. So you can check for updates by going ahead and tap in check. Let's see if we're up to date. It's a new version available, so I'm going to go ahead and allow that to go. And once it's done, you can see you just tap confirm, and that takes care of that. Let me open this up. And if I go to exercise, you can actually activate what exercise activity you're going to be doing so it can start tracking appropriately. So in order for this to work, you will go ahead and tap this button here. And then tap confirm, and you're going to give it location permission so that way it can go ahead and start tracking this appropriately. Go back to home. Look at all the features you get for this budget friendly smart ring. You can go ahead and tap on calories, and it has the data there for the day, week, or even month. And you can do the same for the distance and duration, your walking, your sleep. And then when you go over here to heart rate, all you have to do if you want to see it, is just hit start. And then it will begin counting and measuring your heart rate. And the same thing is for blood oxygen. You just go ahead and tap blood oxygen and then tap start. And then this will begin measuring your blood oxygen. It's pretty cool. Again, a lot of features for this budget-friendly smart ring. Now, $15.37 to get all those features. So again, this smart ring has all those fitness tracking, and then also could track your sleeping. Now, these are premium features that is offered in this budget-friendly smart ring. If you're interested in this budget-friendly smart ring, then please use the link in the description section of this video. But this completes my review for this budget-friendly smart ring.